with you, baby, tonight. I don't wanna love, I don't wanna fight. I don't wanna have to tell you all the things I know. I don't wanna stay, but I don't wanna go. I don't wanna sit in a get with you, baby, tonight. I don't wanna love, I don't wanna fight.
Here is our prestige sleeper car. They've already placed the bags in for us. This converts into a bed. It's a Murphy bed that folds down. Call lights for our concierge. Storage space, little cooler with all your drinks. Your own private washroom. And it's like your own little hotel suite on board.
I don't wanna sit in a get with.
You want to sit upstairs in the dome?
I think so, yes.
Follow you with some hors d'oeuvres.
I don't wanna have to tell you all the things I know. I don't wanna stay, but I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be the lover in your arms. I don't wanna be the one to keep you from home. I don't wanna be the crooked person in your heart. I don't wanna stop, and I don't wanna stop. Part-time lover, how we suffer now.
Thank you.
Alright, there we go. Thank you. Got the salmon over here.
Thank you.
Delicious.
I don't wanna say that everything will be fine. I don't wanna feel your tears on my skin. I'm a coward, baby, don't let me in. Part-time lover, how we suffer now.
So we are in the fine city of Edmonton, and this city is famous for being the home of the largest shopping mall in North America, which is a good thing because temperatures are often below minus 40, but it's also one of the hottest places it can in the summer.
And I don't wanna waste no more of your precious time. I don't wanna say that everything will be fine. I don't wanna feel your tears on my skin. I'm a coward, baby, don't let me in. Part-time lover, how we suffer now.
The distance of this entire train so far, and it's 2,000 feet, so it's 2,200 feet, but the first two locomotives obviously we can't access.
baby, tonight. I don't wanna love, I don't wanna fight. I don't wanna have to tell you all the things I know. I don't wanna stay, but I don't wanna go. Wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of war. There is no sickness, toil nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my mother. I'm going there, no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. And I know dark clouds will gather round me, and I know my way is rough and steep, but golden fields stretch out before me, where weary eyes no more will meet. I'm going there to see my father. I'm going there, no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home.
What are you celebrating? I retired. Your retirement? Congratulations. That's awesome. The last retirement. Just wanted, that's needed, makes me let.
We have arrived, and here's the message.
And good day, folks. We have arrived into beautiful Toronto Station. The engineers have given us the doors we are able to open up and detrain. So welcome to beautiful Toronto, Ontario. Have a great day and safe travels.
For a moment in time, you'd see that I'd be your excuse forever. Your own mountain to climb, you'd see. I left my shoes on the bed, but I left my body outside. But I left my body outside. How did I get back into this mess? I kept telling myself